Hello, Impala. We're actually going to try and restart this, or start this up right now. But, with that being said, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, we got some stuff to do. Whoa, I'm tripping over everything. We're actually doing work on the Ducati today. We're installing a trickle charger. I'm installing a new trickle charger on the Ducati. We're installing the same one we installed on the Harley from when this was having battery problems. We still do, we just need to order the parts. Money's pretty tight right now. So the Harley, we're going to get it fixed next year, early next year. The Ducati, I'm installing the trickle charger today. Focus. I'm installing the trickle charger today. Yeah, so I got to move it over, get the track stands, set it up, take off the fairings, install the trickle charger. That sounds real easy, but if you know anything about Ducatis, they're kind of complicated to work on. So we'll see how this goes. I've done it before, but you know, taking off the fairings can be kind of cumbersome. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. We gotta hurry up and get this done. Well, we don't really gotta hurry up and get this done, but I want to hurry up and get this done so I can actually get this video made and maybe even go on a ride later. We'll see. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. If you don't know, I got a 2013 Ducati 848 Evo Corsa SE. Absolutely beautiful bike. We got some mods coming to it before we go to the track, and I am taking this on to the track next year. So if you don't want to miss that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, taking this to the track. We got the track stands, which I'm gonna need right now. I got the other one right there already. Now I just gotta move everything from right here over there. So let's go. You're good. Now we gotta see if this turns on.
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah. It looks like it's not on. Yeah.
All right, we got the Ducati out. I mean, I literally just had to ride it like through the alley just to bring it around, but still good little ride. I have fun every time I ride this. We have it out, we have it propped on the track stands. Now, I got so many rocks everywhere. I gotta take off the fairings. The battery's actually on the other side. So we're gonna be working on this side today. Taking off the fairings. See, the battery's right there. We have a battery tender already on it right there, as you can see, but it doesn't work. That's why we got a new one. So I gotta take off the fairings, and we're good to go. Let's get to work. So this is the trickle charger that we're going to use, or battery tender, whatever you want to call it. We used the same one on the Harley. Works absolutely amazing, which is why we got another one for the Ducati. You can get this at Harbor Freights. It was 20 bucks. Really cool. Has everything you need. you go. The battery's on. That was a lot quicker than I thought, though. Because how long did it take us last time? I felt like it took an hour. Or maybe because we're... No, because we cleaned it. Because when we changed the battery, that was the... No, that wasn't the day I fell. Was it? I don't remember. But now we just gotta put the fairings back on and then go for a ride. There we go. It's all done. That was really quick. But now, I'm gonna go take it around the block real quick. So I gotta go get my helmet and gloves. Because safety first. Always. So I'm gonna go get my helmet and gloves. And then we're gonna go for a quick ride around the block. I'm back. Unfortunately, the GoPro had no battery. That's my fault. Went on a quick ride around the block. The Ducati's back. I need to take this off, put on the helmet, because I'm actually going to try a new GoPro angle for for next year. New GoPro angle. There you go. The battery tender is on, or trickle charger, like I said, whatever you want to call it. It's on. We're good. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. It was kind of a short one. But I got to go for a little ride, right? The Ducati will be back early next year. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one.